हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू ज्ञान स्टेशन। आज बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग एक ट्रिक जानेंगे, फ्लैश फिल। अदर देन दैट वी विल आल्सो लर्न सम शॉर्ट ट्रिक्स टू मेक द tab table. We want to separate Ram and Charan, first name and the last name, in two different columns. So we will use this feature flash fill. ये आता है आपका सिलेक्ट होके। अब आप यहाँ पे एक ऑप्शन आता है फ्लैश फिल. You just have to select this and see the magic of Excel. All the names got segregated. Same thing we will. Now the next name is Charan. Last name is Charan. We want to use the same to segregate all this. But here we can apply the flash fill and see the magic. Your time get reduced, efforts get reduced, and this is how you can segregate content written in the same column in different ways. So अब इसका bordering पे आता है. तो here is another trick for to form the table. I'll just tell you some shortcut tricks. So first we'll create a complete boundary. Now what we want the, let's start from here. Serial number. We want a line, a table, a boundary over here. So here is the command for you, that is Alt H B R, and you will get a boundary right over here. See, the same way we will select this column and will apply Alt H B R. Again there is a boundary, and again we'll select this column and apply the boundary Alt H B R. Same way, if you want to have the boundary on the left side, you use the command Alt H B L, L for left. And if you want to have the boundary in the bottom, then use the command Alt H B O. So here comes the boundary in the bottom. So thank you for watching this video. For more such knowledgeable videos, please do subscribe to GyaanStation YouTube channel. Stay tuned with us. Thank you.